So guys, this is what I experienced on my laptop this morning. I on it, but the Mox key is not coming up. The Mox key is not coming up. So guys, I try restarted it. It doesn't work, and I try removing the battery. It doesn't work. So guys, this is the last step we are going to be taking right now. Okay. So and we're gonna be using this key right here, and also these four keys right here and the enter keys. Okay, so to do this you have to click on your window. So you click on your window and you search Mux. Okay, so they see it guys, and you have to come to change Mux setting. Okay, so you have to click your enter key, click your enter key, and then you have to come down guys. Sorry, use this key, use this key to come down, and you have to go for additional Mux option. Okay, so you have to click the enter key, and this how it gonna appear, and then you have to use this key right here. Okay, so use the key, and then comes into so buttons. Okay, so you click on this to select. So we are going to select the device settings. So in the device settings guys, you can see the enable. So we have to enable our mouse to come back. Okay, so we're gonna click on this. Yes, as you can see, we've clicked on it, and then it appears, and then you come, you click on it again, and then it is in the enable right now, and then we click on enter key. Okay, so our this thing is enabled now, so we have to come then to apply. Make sure you come to apply, and then apply with this key. Okay, and then you click on enter, and then click on OK. Look at it guys, we have our mouse back and it's working. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this trip also helps solve yours. Okay. So I hope it helps solve your own. If this is your case, thank you so much for coming. Do it to like and share this. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Bye.